Now on your strike jam, which I've already crimped this one, a lot of times when you shut your door you hear the magnet in there rattling. What I always do is push the magnet in on one end, crimp the end, push it back down inside on this side and crimp it, and you don't get that rattle of the magnet. And if I can, I always try to bury my strike side more than the hinge side, because that's where you're getting a lot of your hitting and everything else, so you want it more solid. So I try to bury the strike side as much as possible.